Reva Kids TV. Subscribe my channel for more educational videos. A. A is for aeroplane. A E R O P L A N E Aeroplane. B is for baby. B A B Y baby. C is for car. C A R car. D is for duck. D U C K duck. E is for elephant. E L E P H A N T elephant. F is for flower. F L O W E R flower. G is for goat. G O A T goat. H is for horse. H O R S E horse. I is for ice cream. I C E C R E A M ice cream. J is for juice. J U I C E juice. K is for kite. K I T E kite. L is for lion. L I O N lion. M is for monkey. M O N K E Y monkey. N is for nest. N E S T nest. O is for onion. O N I O N onion. P is for peacock. P E A C O C K peacock. Q is for quilt. Q U I L T quilt. R is for rabbit. R A B B I T rabbit. S is for sun. S U N sun. T is for tiger. T I G E R tiger. U is for umbrella. U M B R E L L A umbrella. V is for violin. V I L O I N violin. W is for watermelon. W A T E R M E L O N watermelon. X is for X-ray. X R A Y X-ray. Y. Y. Y is for yoga. Y-O-G-A. Yoga. Z. Z. Z is for zero. Z-E-R-O.
Watching my video.